In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting agenda in Asana using templates. Whether you're a seasoned Asana user or just getting started, this is a quick and efficient way to organize your meetings and keep everything on track. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. Start by heading over to the top left corner of your Asana interface, where you'll find the Create button. Clicking on this will reveal a few options for your next actions. From this dropdown, you need to select Project. This is essentially where you'll begin setting up the structure for your meeting agenda. Next, you'll see an option to use a template. Templates in Asana are incredibly handy as they provide a preset framework tailored to various needs, saving you time and effort in setting up from scratch. So, go ahead and click on Use a Template to explore the possibilities. As we continue, navigate over to the Productivity tab. This section specifically houses templates designed to boost your efficiency and streamline your tasks, exactly what you need for organizing meetings. Browse through and identify the template labeled Meeting Agenda. Once you've located the Meeting Agenda template, click on Use Template. This action is a key step that begins molding the template into a customized agenda for your specific meeting. Here, you'll have the option to give your new template a name. This can be anything meaningful to you and your team, such as the meeting date or a specific project name, to make it easily recognizable at a glance. After you've named your template, the final step is hitting Create Project. By doing this, you're officially setting up your meeting agenda as a new project in Asana. Once complete, you'll see your agenda all set up and ready to be used, filled with all the baseline details and structure that a meeting would typically need. The newly created project will now be available in your project list. You can further tweak and customize it to suit your specific meeting objectives by adding tasks, deadlines, or additional details as necessary. Remember, the key advantage here is flexibility. You can adapt the existing template to match the nuances of your meeting, ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. And that's it. Within moments, you've successfully set up an organized space for your meeting agendas in Asana using its template feature. It's a fantastic way to keep your meetings efficient and focused, leaving you more time to concentrate on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your meetings with Asana. Happy planning!